Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Corsair MK.2, anything in the MK.2, it might be a K70, anything in the MK.2 category of keyboard, and you need to do a hard reset on it to the factory default settings. Now there's two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is if you're having any issues with your keyboard, if it's not working, not connecting, not responding, if it seems to be frozen, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if you're setting this keyboard up on a new computer and you want to get just a fresh start on it, we can go ahead and wipe everything off of it. It's really easy to do. All we need to do is first unplug the keyboard, and from there, we're just going to come in and press and hold the escape key. And then while pressing and holding the escape key, we can go ahead and plug our keyboard back into the computer, and then just continue to hold that escape key until the keyboard starts to flash. Once that happens, you can stop pushing the escape key, unplug your keyboard again, plug it back in, and you should be good to go with a fully reset keyboard.